Company Break partnered with the UN Environment Programme and the Climate and Clean Air Coalition to bring you stories of Clean Air Bharat. The events included City Session Chapter 8, Agra, with the aim of finding clean air solutions in the city, a town hall discussion for collective action to clear up Chennai's air, a conversation on clean air solutions for India with Diya Mirza and Vijay Shekhar Sharma, followed by a discussion with mothers from different parts of India on clean air solutions that can help our present and future generations. Uttarakhand's draft ecotourism policy could threaten biodiversity. The Uttarakhand government has prepared a draft of an ecotourism policy to promote conservation and ensure livelihood to local people who migrate to cities for work. Why is that a problem? For instance, the policy is heavily loaded in favor of opening up many of the forest areas for ecotourism, and that could disturb the movement of wildlife using forests as corridors. Secondly, the policy is driven by the tourism department with very little room for views of the forest department in deciding which areas to open up or not. MSPCB calls for compliance with biomedical waste management norms. The Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board in Shillong has come down with a heavy hand on the disposal of biomedical waste, PPE suits, masks and surgical gloves, which is being dumped haphazardly into the environment. Why is this happening? Because of the amount of waste that COVID-19 has generated with no sustainable solutions to get rid of it. The Green Tribunal slammed centre and state for not protecting Saranda forests. The National Green Tribunal has directed the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change and Jharkhand's Forest Department to submit a report explaining why the Saranda Sanctuary has not been declared an eco-sensitive zone, something that would help protect the region's rich biodiversity. Thwaites in Antarctica is the Doomsday Glacier whose vulnerability can be spotted in these maps. This Antarctic colossus is melting at a rapid rate, dumping billions of tons of ice in the ocean every year and pushing up global sea levels. How does that harm us? Currently, the ice loss contributes approximately 4% to the annual rise in global sea levels, with the potential to add 65 centimeters in total should the whole glacier collapse. California governor declares state of emergency in 5 counties due to the fire. California has had more than 13,000 lightning strikes since mid-August, and more than 600 wildfires statewide have burned more than 1.2 million acres. Sri Lanka assesses oil slick from a fire-stricken supertanker. The fire began on September 3rd on the MT New Diamond, which was carrying nearly 2 million barrels of crude oil. Why does it matter? Sri Lankan officials are working to assess any damage to the environment and marine life from the incident and have warned of massive environmental damage to Sri Lanka's coast if the ship leaks or explodes. Are you an eco-warrior? Have you spotted a story in your area that the world missed? Tell us your environment story and get a chance to feature in our next week's newsletter.